In the heart of central Laos, we have the charming town of Thakhek. This is a small town filled with both Laotian culture and history, mixed with the French colonial architecture that's both fascinating and dark. Plus, this is a very popular spot for backpackers wanting to experience the Thakhek Loop, seeing things like the caves, the mountains, and all the beautiful nature that Thakhek has to offer. And so today we're going to check out Thafalang. This is an absolutely stunning spot for you to go eat, enjoy the river and the beautiful mountains surrounding Thakhek. Welcome to Thafalang. This is an area outside of Thakhek. You could tell there's mountains over here. It's kind of like a resort area. So we're here, we're gonna come and have some dinner over here. And as you can tell, there's like beautiful mountains all around us. And there's also places you could stay right here. And it is about, I would say about maybe 30 minutes drive outside of Thakhek. So it's not in like a very obvious area, but as you can see, we're right over here. The mountains are right over here. Chào sửa mà bỏ chặn.
Đâyอยู่
ว้าวครับเนาะ
ประมาณแบบนี้
ว่าสิคือของมันสิมีแบบนี้ว้าวโอ้ขับเนาะบอนผักตรงนี้เนาะ
สวยนี้
Wow. So this area over here is where you could either eat up here or you could go down over there, which is where we're going. So we're actually going to just have some snacks up here first, and then we're all going to head down there and eat down there right next to the river. Wow, check this out. Oh wow, it's so beautiful. Look at this. Oh, so beautiful. So we're gonna go and eat down there. We could actually ride a canoe. Right there, the mountains. Oh, wow. So here's the place we're gonna eat. There's some fish right over here. And look at this view. Wow. Now that is the view. Alright, so here it is. Check this out. Wow. So all the food is coming and we're right here next to the river. So check this out. It's gonna be delicious, and there's some fish right over there on the river, and we're gonna really enjoy this.